हेलो प्यारे बच्चों, ये है येलो कलर, ये है ग्रीन कलर, ब्लू कलर, रेड कलर, ब्लैक कलर, ब्राउन कलर। A for ant. A for ant. Ant means चींटी। ए के बाद आता है बी। बी for butterfly. B for butterfly. C for carrot. C for carrot. Carrot means gajar. D for door. Door means darwaja. E for earth. Earth means prithvi. F for fruits. Fruits means फल. G for gun. Gun means बंदूक. H for head. Head means sir. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kite. Kite means patang. Kite means patang. L for lion. Lion means शेर. M for monkey. Monkey means बंदर. N for nose. Nose means नाक. O for orange. Orange means संतरा. हाँ. P for pen. Pen means कलम. Q for queen. Queen means रानी. R for rainbow. Rainbow means इंद्रधनुष. S for ship. Ship means जहाज. T for tiger. Tiger means बाघ. U for uniform. Uniform means वर्दी. V for van. Van means van. W for watch. Watch means घड़ी. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Y for yellow. Yellow means पीला. Z for zebra. Zebra means zebra. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Like and subscribe. हेलो प्यारे बच्चों, ग्रीन, वाइट, रेड, ब्लू, येलो, ब्लैक. आज हम सीखेंगे ABC and 1 2 3. A for apple. A for apple. Apple means सेब. A for apple. A के बाद आता है B. B for banana. B for banana. B for butterfly. B for book. B for bat. C for car. C for cat. One. One means egg. One means egg. One means egg. वन के बाद आता है टू means दो. टू means दो. थ्री means तीन. थ्री means तीन. A B C. 1